In this video, we'll talk about the first blow to Biden's immigration agenda. A judge in Texas ruled a temporary restraining order against the 100 days freeze to deportations. We'll talk about how that ruling is going to impact future executive orders. So, let's jump right in. Hello everybody, and welcome back to our immigration channel. This is a place where we provide the most up-to-date immigration news, immigration updates, and all the other things you need to make your immigration journey less stressful. My name is Jacob Sapochnick, and I'm an immigration attorney based in San Diego, California. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you never miss any of our videos, and also give us that big like so YouTube will be able to share this video with more people just like you. So let's talk about what happened the past few days. The first challenge to Biden's executive order. This time it was the executive order that freezes deportations and removals for 100 days. So essentially what happened that a U.S. District Court in Texas issued a 14-day temporary restraining order. This is a nationwide restraining order that will apply to Biden's 100-day freeze on deportations, which means that people that were going to be deported or about to be deported can continue with that process. There's going to be no freeze, there's going to be no hold as we thought would be after the executive order was issued. This temporary restraining order will remain in effect until the judge is going to issue a broader motion for preliminary injunction. The judge said that this particular order violates certain provision under immigration law and also another law that requires agencies to explain their rationale as to why they're doing what they're doing. Remember that this judge was actually appointed by President Trump just before he left office. The reason why this decision is important is because the court in Texas claimed that Biden's actions violated the Administrative Procedures Act in the way that it failed to justify why his actions were adequate and necessary. And if they use that argument, they're going to be able to sue for every single executive order that Biden is going to issue already issued. They can attack the DACA ones, they can attack many others. So to avoid that, the administration is going to make sure that they have a language in their orders specifically justifying every single their action and putting it in a logical way that complies with the EPA to avoid future challenges like this by the court. Once again, we know that it's not going to be easy. We know that we are anticipating a lot of these executive orders as well as a future legislation like an amnesty. So it is important, and I think that Biden's team will realize that they have to be very careful how to issue these orders to avoid future litigation just like that. But for now, we will see what's going to happen with this order, and depending on the outcome of this ruling and how the government is going to react to that, the future of other executive orders is going to be decided as well that way. So hopefully this video was helpful. This was the first attack on Biden's immigration agenda, and we'll see what will happen in the next few weeks, how they will defend themselves, and how future executive orders are going to be treated by the courts. If you found this video to be helpful, leave me a comment below and also share it with somebody that may be interested. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. So if you like this video, watch these two videos for more information just like that.